Boys and girls, today is the day where I'm going to try to change the control arms. But before that, I just bought a new jack that I'm going to assemble right now. That's it, you guys. The jack is done, so now it's time to use it and try to change the lower arms that I got here. So this is what I did. So you can see I got every bolt out, but it won't come out, so I will go to a place and buy something that I can open with. Okay, so I still can't get the lower control arm out, and this didn't help, so I went out and bought this. Oof. And also bought this. Maybe this should help, or this. So I will try that now and see if we can get this thing out. Boys and girls, it's out finally. This hammer did it. So now we only need to take this bolt out and it should be it. So it looks like it's the same one, so that's great news. Now I only have to put this in. That's it, boys and girls. New lower control arm, this little stabilizer, or how you call it, and yeah, the bushings are also included. So now I have to do the same in the right side. That will probably be tomorrow, but for now this is done, and I'm quite happy about it. But finally it worked with the big hammer. So this is it for now. Bye.